Today we're doing a Cuban sandwich on the Recteq Bullseye. You don't need a panini press, you don't need anything like that. I have a large cast iron griddle on top of the Bullseye right now. It's getting screaming hot, and that is what we're gonna press this thing down on and sear that bread like a Cuban sandwich has. I don't know where Cuban sandwiches come from. Josh, do you know?
Cuba.
No, I think it's a Florida thing. I don't think it's a Cuban thing. It could be, I don't know. Tell me in the comments below. I have no idea. I didn't even look it up. I have had a Cuban sandwich in Miami and they are excellent. So we're gonna do one in Texas. We're gonna do a Texas style Cuban. I have all of the ingredients here. We have avocado oil, all of the stuff. We're gonna be making a beautiful rub, a beautiful sauce for this, and it's gonna be pretty epic. So let's get started. We are starting with the country style ribs. I'm gonna grill these up until they are about 140, 145 internal. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of the Texas Brew Barbecue pigskin on it. Not a whole lot, just enough to give it some flavor. Now we're gonna make our sauce. We're gonna go with a little bit of cumin. Come on. Some garlic powder. Some oregano. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. We're gonna add a little bit of avocado oil. Not a whole lot, just a little bit there. Some orange juice. Looks good. And a juice from a lime. Come here, lime. Give that a little stir. That looks pretty good. Nice sear. So we're just gonna paint that on there. Oh man. I wish you could smell this. Look at that. We give these guys a little flip. Sear those edges. We're gonna transport these guys right over here. We're gonna slice this up really thin, or as thin as we can. Cut the bread. Boom. Bottom side first. Regular mustard. Down on the bottom. We're gonna spread that. I'm an edge to edge guy. I like coverage. Edge to edge mustard. I got some Black Forest ham, bought it at the store, I'm not gonna lie, it makes it easy. And we are going to put some Black Forest ham there. All right, so we got some ham. Now we're gonna take this beautiful pork that we just cooked and we are gonna put the pork on top of there. All of it. Swiss cheese. Right on top. All right, so we're gonna take that sauce that we made and we are gonna go on the lid of this sandwich. We're gonna do pickles across. One thing that I do whenever I butter bread and put it on there, I like to go over it and put just a little more flavor on it. Just a little more. All right. Gotta flatten it out. That's what makes the sandwich so popular. Gotta flatten it. Hot! Holy, yes! Now that is pretty. Picture time is over. Oh, we're losing pieces. We got that nice sear on the bread. It looks beautiful. It sounds beautiful. Let's give it a little cut right here. Let's taste it. Let's see See if I got a little Cuban. Let's see how it tastes. I like this corner right here. I got the pickle and the pork and the ham. Did a lot of spit come off? I felt like I had a string of spit. You should make this. It's really good.